Hey guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing well. As you can see, I am meal prepping for, you guessed it, it's taco night. So I took two packages of extra lean ground chicken, and honestly, I don't really measure. I'm going to be honest with you. I just sprinkle in some onion powder and some garlic powder, some oregano, taco seasoning, Worcester soy sauce, some paprika, and then I taste it. Honestly, you don't need salt. If you want to add a little salt, you can add some salt if you want, and cook it on a medium to low heat so that it cooks really well. And don't taste it until it's all cooked up, of course. And then I took about 3 onions. I love Vidalia, but any onions. And some bell peppers. I love red and yellow, but any peppers, whatever vegetable you'd like. And I just spray it with some olive oil spray. I have this huge grill that I bought at Costco. It's called the Rock Grill. And I love it because you can see I can add a lot of veggies to it. I really enjoy the meat on pitas. I usually make my own pitas, 2-ingredient dough, or I buy the Joseph's pitas. But sometimes you just want a treat and have some hard tacos or the fajita. I have it the wrong way. The fajitas, and I like to add a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of cheese, why not? Everything in moderation, and of course you need to measure, weigh, and be mindful, right? So you can enjoy your favorite meals, your favorite tacos. Oh, and I almost forgot, I had made my fried rice, my rice-a-roni fried rice on my YouTube channel. You can find it. So that's leftovers for my family to have as well. And when you make a lot, I made a lot, we'll have enough for a couple of meals, which is also great because you don't always want to be cooking all the time. Okay, so again, just remember that meal planning, meal prep, grocery shopping are key to a healthy lifestyle. All right, we start off as a diet, but it becomes a lifestyle. Just going to turn this off because I don't want my veggies to burn. And I hope that this easy peasy recipe you enjoy and you share my channel with other people. Okay, of course, because sharing is caring. My Facebook group for extra support, motivation, strategies, and tips is WW Tips and Recipes by Risa on Facebook. On Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. And I hope that this was enjoyable for you. Just short, easy recipe that you could whip up very quickly, even the night before, in case you're busy. No excuses, all right? Take care. Love you guys. Easy taco meal. Love ya.